Let us explore and learn more about biodiversity and the diverse web of life in our planet. Biodiversity is the variety of life on Earth, encompassing the rich tapestry of species, ecosystems, and genetic diversity. It is the foundation of our planet's health and resilience, providing essential services that sustain life as we know it. Consider the food we eat, the air we breathe, and the water we drink. All are intricately linked to biodiversity. The fruits and vegetables we enjoy, the medicines that heal us, and even the oxygen we inhale, all are gifts from the diverse array of life forms that populate our planet. Yet, biodiversity is not just about the tangible benefits it provides. It holds immense value in its own right, offering endless wonder and discovery. Every species, no matter how small or seemingly insignificant, contributes to the intricate web of life. There exist 4 primary types of ecosystem services: provisioning services, regulating services, supporting services, and cultural services, which stems from biodiversity, encapsulating the diverse range of advantages humans derive from natural ecosystems, thereby enhancing their well-being and fostering economic prosperity. Provisioning services. It encompasses the tangible goods and resources that are directly harvested or extracted from ecosystems to fulfill human needs and support various economic activities. Food provisioning, for instance, encompasses agricultural crops, livestock, and fisheries, providing nourishment and sustenance. Similarly, water provisioning services involve the supply of clean water for drinking, irrigation, and industrial purposes. Overall, provisioning services are crucial for meeting human needs and supporting economic activities, highlighting the fundamental connection between ecosystems and human welfare. Regulating services. These describes and are the functions performed by ecosystems that help regulate and maintain environmental processes and conditions essential for life on Earth. These services includes climate regulation. Forests and seagrass beds, for instance, help regulate climate by absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, which mitigates climate change. Pollination. Bees, butterflies, and other pollinators facilitate the reproduction of plants, including many crops essential for human food production. Pest control. Predatory birds and bats help control pest populations by preying on insects that would otherwise damage crops. Overall, regulating services such as climate control, pollination, and pest control play a crucial role in maintaining the health and resilience of ecosystems, as well as in safeguarding human well-being and infrastructure from environmental risks and disruptions. The third ecosystem service that we can benefit from is called supporting services. Supporting services constitute a fundamental category of ecosystem services that underpin the functioning of ecosystems, providing the necessary conditions and processes for other ecosystem services to occur. For instance, nutrient cycling. Decomposers break down organic matter, releasing nutrients back into the soil, which supports plant growth and sustains ecosystem productivity. Soil formation. Soil formation is how soil is made in ecosystems. It happens when rocks break down, organic matter decomposes, and soil organisms work together over time to create fertile soil. Oxygenation. This is how ecosystems produce and maintain oxygen in the air we breathe. This happens mainly through photosynthesis, where plants and other organisms use sunlight to make oxygen from carbon dioxide and water. In essence, supporting services such as nutrient cycling, soil formation, and oxygenation are the building blocks upon which other ecosystem services depend, highlighting their critical role in sustaining life and ecosystem functionality. The last ecosystem service that we will be talking about is the cultural services. Cultural services refers to the benefits that ecosystems provide to people through their cultural and recreational experiences. For example, recreation and tourism. In recreation and tourism, ecosystems offer opportunities for outdoor activities such as canyoneering, swimming, hiking, camping, sightseeing, bird watching, and wildlife viewing, attracting tourists and providing recreational spaces for people to enjoy. Another example is spiritual and cultural values. Spiritual and cultural values refers to natural landscapes, sacred sites, and cultural heritage areas which hold spiritual significance for many communities, serving as places for meditation, ceremonies, and cultural practices. Lastly, aesthetic and inspirational values. Aesthetic and inspirational values refers to the scenic beauty, biodiversity, and natural landscapes which inspire artistic expression, photography, and cultural appreciation, enriching people's lives and cultural experiences. To conclude, cultural services such as recreation and tourism, spiritual and cultural values, aesthetic and inspirational values play a vital role in enhancing human well-being and enriching our connection with nature, contributing to the preservation of cultural heritage and fostering a sense of community and identity. With all of these, we can therefore conclude that provisioning services, regulating services, cultural services, and supporting services are all derived from biodiversity, which encompasses the variety and abundance of living organisms within ecosystems. This biodiversity directly influences the provision of ecosystem services essential for human well-being, and diverse ecosystems support key ecological processes that underpin ecosystem functioning and productivity.
Tuguti kung lang yun